Good morning, this is Larry Kaplan with MarineMax at the Channel Club Marina in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. This is our 2019 Sailfish 275 dual console. This boat is in a Sailfish white and is powered by twin Yamaha 150s. Sailfish is known as a very family-friendly boat as well equipped for fishing with its deep gunnels, probably the highest in the industry at 30 inches around the cockpit, and extends even higher as you go forward. Now that we're inside the boat, you can see that this boat comes well equipped with nice transom seating, rod storage on the starboard side bait well, rod holders, cup holders, ski tow, fender holders, freshwater wash, and then coming around to the port side, a seat that folds out from the gunnel. This is showing with all the seats folded out. Going forward on this boat, you have an entertainment center with a wet bar and refrigerator. On the port side, you have adjustable seat back on top of large self-draining storage, as well as a place to put a cooler. At the helm, this boat has the captain's chair upgrade that is adjustable with height. Has the Garmin GPS Map 1042 with transducer. This boat is pre-rigged with the radar cable and power cable, and also has a Garmin VHF radio and antenna. On the port side, this boat is equipped with a really nice Corian countertop in the head, Tecma head, freshwater, infinity woven vinyl flooring, as well as a shower sprayer. In between the helm seat and the head is a very large in-floor storage area for your rods, and it is also self-draining. And then going forward, you'll see also, like I said, very deep seating, high gunnels, keep everyone up in the bow safe and secure, as well as being dry. There's storage underneath each of the seats that is gasketed and self-draining. Up in the bow, you have your pop-up nav light, as well as your built-in windlass. Windlass goes through the stem of the boat, looks really sharp. Again, this is your Sailfish 275 dual console. Very well equipped boat, very comfortable, good riding hull with its variable dead rise hull configuration of 24, 23, and then 22 degrees. Again, this is Larry Kaplan for MarineMax at Monmouth Beach at the Channel Club Marina. You can reach me at 732-874-7196 if you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of our other wide selection of offerings. Thank you and have a great day.